CATIA V5, how to obtain mirror components. So this will be the case study. We see over here the following surface. And we can go up to insert. And we're going to see that within operation, we do have the possibility to rotate the component. Or we can also use a plane in order to add symmetry. So these are the classic, let's say, features that will enable mirror parts. But keep in mind that also scaling will enable this. So let's go ahead and check that. Initially, I'm going to go over here within the final solid body. I will define over here a new body, and I will name this mirrored. And I will copy the resulting closed surface, and I will paste it over here, but we're going to see that it will be this one. So now I can hide the original one, and I will have the one mirrored over here. If I want to mirror this, I can go up to insert, afterwards operation, and as you can see, I can use directly the scaling feature. So with the scaling selected, we're going to have over here a reference. We can also add a ratio, but keep in mind that scaling like this will not give the possibility to rotate, let's say, the orientation of the part. This is why we need to use underneath scaling, we have affinity, which acts just like scaling, but we also have control over here for the ratio on X, Y, and Z. And over here, I will specify that I want to go -1 on X. And now we're going to see that we have that mirrored over here. Keep in mind that this will take into account whatever you're going to define. For example, if I will create a point within 0, 0, 0, this will be exactly within the middle. Therefore, the mirror part will be regarding that middle point. You can also specify and select over here a different element, for example, a plane if you have a construction plane. You can also add the mirror like this with -1 on X and -1 on Y. And we're going to see that now the mirror will be the following, and the resulting component will be this one. If you want to flip the part, you can also do it like this, minus on Z-axis, and that will give you the following resulted parts. So this is the easiest solution to obtain mirror parts, since you can also control the X, Y, and Z in this case. With the classic mirror feature over here, you have the following features. So we have over here symmetry. In this case, I can select the component. This will be closed surface. Reference, I can define another point straight within the origin. And we're going to see that if I'm going to click OK, now the result will be as following. So just as I flipped that part initially. We also have the possibility over here to go within operation. We can also use, in this case, rotate, but keep in mind that that will not give you the mirror part for this. It will just rotate the existing component. In some cases, you want to keep that, depend on the design intent, but keep in mind that if you want to use mirror parts, I would highly recommend that you're going to use the affinity feature over here. Okay, so I hope you're enjoying this kind of content. You're going to find additional CATIA V5 tips and tricks over here on the left. If you want additional CATIA V5 tips and tricks, you can also find over here on the right a subscribe button. So that's it. Thanks for watching.